Welcome to your ultimate roadmap for mastering chemistry in the JEE main exam. With the right preparation strategy, understanding the exam pattern, and consistent practice, chemistry can be your scoring advantage. Let's dive in. Chemistry makes up 25 questions in the JEE main exam, which is about 33% of your total score. The questions will be a mix of multiple choice questions, MCQs, and numerical value questions. The three key sections are physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry. Well-prepared students can score highly in this section. Let's break down the syllabus. 40% of your focus should be on physical chemistry, covering topics like chemical kinetics and thermodynamics. Organic chemistry makes up 35%, with topics like aldehydes, ketones, and reaction mechanisms. Inorganic chemistry, though smaller at 25%, is crucial, with topics like coordination compounds and the periodic table. Some high-scoring topics to prioritize include chemical kinetics, equilibrium, and thermodynamics in physical chemistry. In organic chemistry, focus on reaction mechanisms, aldehydes and ketones, and hydrocarbons. For inorganic, don't miss out on coordination compounds and transition elements. The NCERT textbooks are a goldmine for these topics. Start strong with a 12-month plan. The first 4 months focus on building fundamentals in physical and organic chemistry using NCERT. From months 5 to 8, dive deeper into inorganic chemistry and complex organic reactions. Months 9 to 10 should focus on intensive practice, especially for physical chemistry numericals. Finally, in months 11 to 12, focus on revision and mock tests to solidify your preparation. Now let's focus on the final 3 months. Month 10 is all about completing your syllabus and focusing on high-weighted chapters. In month 11, take daily mock tests, solve previous year papers, and analyze your mistakes. Month 12 should be dedicated to a quick revision of formulas and reaction mechanisms so you can enter the exam with confidence. Studying smart is key. Start with NCERT books and then supplement with reference books like O.P. Tandon for organic, J.D. Lee for inorganic, and N. Avasthi for physical chemistry. Keep your notes concise, focus on reaction mechanisms and formulas, and practice consistently through numerical problems and weekly tests. Mock tests are vital for success. Regular practice will improve your speed, accuracy, and time management. Understand the exam pattern, identify your weak areas, and work on them. Aim for at least 30 full-length mock tests before your JEE main exam. Use platforms like Byju's, Vedantu, and Ask IITians for mock tests and previous year papers. Avoid common pitfalls. Skipping parts of the syllabus, especially inorganic chemistry, studying from too many reference books, neglecting regular revision, and ignoring mock tests. Focus on consistent study and practice to stay on track. To summarize your chemistry success formula, start with mastering the NCERT concepts, prioritize high-weightage topics, follow a month-wise plan, practice mock tests consistently, and revise smartly using spaced repetition. Stay focused, stay consistent, and believe in your preparation. Best of luck with your JEE main chemistry journey.